Hi everybody. Hi, I am fine. Myself, I am Karthik. Today study meanwhile future perfect tense of negative sentences. Okay, this time learn of the negative sentences of future perfect continuous tense. Okay, uh, these are look at the rule. First, subject. Okay, the subject she, it, they, they, he, etc. These are subject. Okay, and plus will, shall. Okay, will, shall. This tense of future tense. Okay, so will and shall. First, and plus future perfect, and these are have. Okay, these are have, and the full tense, future perfect continuous tense, and will, shall plus have, and the last plus been. Okay, these are other verb. Okay, and plus not this sentence of negative sentences. So the rule in the note. Okay, and verb first form go, sing, come, sit, etc. And ing come plus ing coming, sit plus ing sitting, sing plus ing singing, come plus ing coming, go plus ing going. Okay, and the last object school, pen, chair, table, book, etc. and the object. Okay, and I write some sentences. Okay, first sentence, Ram shall have been. Okay, shall have been not going the school. Okay, Ram shall have not been. Ram shall have been not going the school. Okay, the Ram subject, shall have and been other verb. Okay, other verb. Okay, add the not other verb. Other verb. Okay, add the going main verb. Main verb first form go, and plus ing, main verb plus ing. Okay, main verb plus ing, at the school object. Okay, Ram shall have been not going the school. Okay, Ram subject, shall have been other verb, not other verb, going main verb plus ing, the school object. Okay, the sentence follow the rule. Okay, how are sentence the follow a rule. Okay, the follow subject will, been sorry will shall have been the other verb, and the not other verb. Okay, and verb going main verb plus ing. Okay, at the object the school object. Okay, at the second sentence, second sentence, you will have been not. You will have been not singing the song. Okay, you will have been not singing the song. Okay, to the you subject will have been other verb. Okay, and not other verb. Okay, at the singing main verb plus ing. Okay, at the song of that. Okay, you will have been not singing the song. Okay, the sentence follow the rule. Okay, our sentence follow the rule. Okay, you the subject, rule subject. Okay, and will have been. Okay, the first sentence shall have been and the second sentence will have been. Okay, will have been other verb. Okay, and plus not at the other verb. Okay, and singing main verb plus ing. Okay, main verb and